Hi viewers, welcome to Learn MATLAB Simulink Basic. Today we are going to see about VA characteristics of diode in MATLAB. We are going to see about forward bias configuration of a diode in MATLAB. For that, I am going to use the controlled voltage source. For that, I am going to click electrical source and then I am going to use controlled voltage source. Input for the control voltage source I am going to provide from the ramp input. And then I'm going to use a diode. Diode can be taken from the power electronics. Here I'm going to use diode. And then next I'm going to take current measurements. For that I'm going to click measurements and take current measurement. And then I'm going to connect this current measurement. Next I'm going to use element, that means series RLC branch. So here I'm going to take series RLC branch. I'm going to rotate this one. I'm going to connect this here and here, and here I'm going to change the element will be R, the area of element will be 0.1 ohms. Next I'm going to measure the voltage. For that I'm going to click measurements and then I'm going to take voltage measurement, and then it will be connected across the diode. Next I'm going to use scope, that means not scope. I'm going to use XY graph. So for that I'm going to click sinks, and here you can see the graph, XY graph. I'm going to connect the X will be voltage and Y will be current, and here I'm going to make the X will be -1 and 1, and then the Y axis will be -1 and 2, 30, and apply. This is a fit for that means forward bias configuration. Here this RAM will be it's like act as a RP, that means this setup RAM with the control voltage is going to act as a regulated power supply. That means you can vary the voltage from 0 to maximum. In laboratory classes we can see that RPS, regulated power supply. So it going to be varying between 0 to 30 volt. We have to that means imitate the RPS concept. Here we are taking that a RAM with a control voltage, so it will be going to act as a regulated power supply to vary the voltage. So now I'm going to simulate the model. So here you will see the graph will be started here. Start from the here you can see that current will be 0, the voltage is keep on increasing because the RAM will be increasing. Because of increasing RAM, what happened, the voltage will increase. You can see the variation of voltage here, but current will be maintained 0. Here you can see that forward voltage graph will be 0.8. After 0.8 volt, the diode is trying to conduct. Here I'm going to click. Now we can see that. Now we can see that on the current, right, current will be increasing. That will diode start conducting. Then now increasing the voltage, what will be happen? The diode current will be keep on increasing. What does mean? We will get the graph like this. This is a VA characteristics in forward bias characteristics. Same you can take the result for reverse bias also. Just you go to change the slope and apply, and then here you can change the current, right? Here we can take the current is 1 and apply, and just you go to simulate the model. Here you can see that the current in reverse direction, that will be very minimum in terms of micro amps to nanoamps. So we cannot see the variation in that reverse bias condition, but we can see the variation in the forward bias. That means when you to apply, we can see the variation in the forward bias condition. Here you can see that after 0.8 volt is start to conduct it. That's why current is increasing, right? So since that means VA characteristics of diode in MATLAB. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.